Hi, my name is Ima and welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to use our WorldCat catalog to request material that lies outside of Schenectady County Public Library's collection. First, we're going to start by going to our catalog. Go up and click Classic Catalog. We are going to select WorldCat from the database drop-down menu here. Type in your keyword search, click the magnifying glass, or click Enter. We're going to place a request on What is the Story of Batman? You will then select which SCPL location you would like to pick it up from, then click Submit Request. It will tell you if your requested item is already owned by SCPL locally, and you can request it right from here. Let's go back to the search results and find something that does not reside in our local collection. With WorldCat selected for the database, please note that it does take a little time to pull up results because it is searching such a large number of library collections, many more than in our previous catalog. Just as before, we're going to select our pickup location, then click Submit Request. It will tell you that you are placing an Interlibrary Loan Request. Click Continue. Your request has been placed. You can go to your list of hold requests, and you will see the top 2 items are what we requested. What is the Story of Batman is pending because SCPL owns a copy locally. And secondly, you'll see the Joker, a serious study of the Clown Prince of Crime, is listed as inactive. Your request will show as inactive. While it's being processed, you will be able to track the status of your request through your account as it progresses. If you ever want to cancel your requests, you simply just check the boxes next to items you no longer want, and then click Cancel Selected. Then submit. As you can see, some items will show up still that you have canceled. That way, if you changed your mind, you may reactivate a selection. You can check the status of all of your requests through your account on this page or at catalog.scpl.org. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call your local SCPL location for assistance.